Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting tool that's available online. Aftership.com, the post-purchase platform, guys. The journey begins after checkout, which is very crucial. And one of the things a lot of young dropshippers don't seem to understand is that once a customer actually buys the product from your store, the story doesn't end there. That is literally the beginning of the journey of that customer with your organization, with your enterprise, and with your dropshipping store. So you gotta make sure that you give them a customer service so they keep coming back and become loyal customers. And how you can do that is what we're gonna look at in today's video. And obviously you make sure that you spark that loyalty and engagement with a customer experience platform that delights after the buy button. And this has been trusted by the world's biggest brand. The complete post-purchase solution is available, and that is what you need to integrate with your dropshipping store to ensure that you always have customers that keep coming back and give you an awesome review and actually recommend your shop to other individuals. Choose from a suite of tools that enhance the journey from shipment tracking to returns and all touch points in between. With the tracking, you can create a proactive shipping tracking that delights your customer, reduces your tickets, and optimizes your delivery performance. From brand tracking pages, from shipment visibility dashboard and exception reports, and return automation that delivers a positive return and exchange experience and optimizes the return cost and retains more revenue. With the brand return page, exchange for other items, and rule-based automation. And the best one that I personally feel is crucial for any dropshipping organization, business, or enterprise to include is protection. The world-class shipping protection that captures the lost revenue and drives customer satisfaction and optimizes the claims operation. With high claim success rate and protection at cart and checkout, you can claim the management portals. With the EDD and AI-powered delivery date, estimates that the delivery conversion and set customer expectations and offers peace of mind. With street-level prediction, on-time performance dashboards, and EDD on checkout page. With a shipping management platform that facilitates the fulfillment, reduces the cost, and simplifies the shipment management for all your carriers. Now you can label generation, real-time rate calculation, and automated shipping workforce, and a carbon emission reports that provides accurate calculations and uncover contributing factors and improves the brand perception with the SGS certified methodology with real miles traveled and a smart shipment mapping. Now obviously if you click on all the products, you can see the more elements that are available, and my personal favorite, the Phraser, an AI powered email phraser that offers smart data extraction, provides high accuracy, and improves your customer experience. With a brand specific data that supports email services and automated data enrichment. And how does the Aftership customers boost your revenue and retention? You might be thinking it's quite simple and easy, guys. With the scalable APIs for developers, whether it's a via API or a webhook, Aftership plugs right into the various platforms, the apps, and carriers for seamless data and automation. With 1,040 carriers integration that are designed for easy engineering, get the most robust APIs and webhooks to save time on tracking, returns, and shipment integrations. With 1,040 worldwide carriers and 40 technology partners, it's easy plug into their native integrations and major e-commerce platforms and apps without lengthy development. Certified enterprise-grade security and privacy. They have a SOC 2 compliance, meaning they're certified to meet the SOC 2 standards for worry-free data security, and the iOS 27001 certification with a compliant with the world's most rigorous standards for information security and privacy, with a GDPR compliance that gives certification to protect data and privacy in Europe. And that is the reason why I always say to individuals to make sure that they use Aftership, because they're available in 8 global offices with 450 employees, and 66 of them are engineers, and 14,000 paid customers, and they have already shipped and tracked 4.4 billion orders, and currently they're engaged with 133 countries and a consumer base of 372 million. The email sent and SMS sent are 986 million, guys. So get started just in 30 minutes. Connect with the post-purchase expert to see how Aftership can transform your customer journey into one that can really take your business to new heights that is never known before. You can check all the information out in the bottom over here, from their affiliates, from their conversion, from their app builders, from their traffic, their package tracker app as well. And please make sure that you go through the privacy, the terms, the security, and the cookies. Now, once you've done it, I always mention to individuals to check out the pricing because it's very interesting because they have flexible plans that can grow with you. They have the tracking, which can be billed monthly or billed annually. And if you go for the annually one, you'll save 18%. But monthly is what I always recommend individuals to start to see what kind of performance that they can get. Now, for the monthly one, they have the essential over here, which is for $11 per month, and you can actually select the shipment per month. For example, if you're selling 100, 500, 1,000, 2,000, you can actually select the numbers that you want. As you increase the shipment per month, the actual price increased as well. So as you can see, when we increased it to 1,000, it went to $59 per month. If you decrease it to 500, it goes to $35 per month. You can choose the essential as well, and you're charged 8 cents per extra shipment, guys. Now, once we select the 1,000, we can actually see the actual ability that you get with the essential. You get the extensive e-commerce integration, the integrations with 1,040 carriers, a customizable tracking page, email notification, SMS notification, and shipment visibility and basic analytics. If you go for the Pro one and choose more than 2,000 or 3,000 shipments, the price will get increased. But the element that you get with it is quite interesting. You get the tracking API and webhooks with a Calivio and attentive integration with customer feedback surveys, multiple tracking pages, multilingual tracking pages as well, and product recommendation widgets. And with the main element, the premium, which is the most popular, you get the popular AI and the analytics. You get everything in the Pro, as well as the advanced email triggers, the AI predictive estimate delivery times, and carrier auto correction, on time and transit time report. You can remove the Aftership branding and custom domain for tracking pages. If you want to go for the custom, the enterprise level, a custom plan built to scale with 25,000 plus shipments per month, you can always contact the sales and get it information from them directly. And obviously, with the flexible collaboration and advanced security with the team and the enterprise, you can always stay one step ahead and get the competitive advantage that you always dreamed about, because Aftership is a platform, is an organization, is an enterprise, is a tool that you need to integrate. If you need additional support and guidance, you can always upgrade to their silver or to their gold, and obviously get faster response times and expert advice to help your business run smoothly. With a 20%, with a $200 per month minimum per product, you get a response time of 10 minutes in chat and 2 hours in email. If you go for 30%, you get 2 minutes in chat and 15 minutes in emails with a dedicated onboard manager and critical issue updates every 30 minutes with customer success manager and developer support and account health check, as well as implementation consultation. And that is the reason I always recommend individuals to check out Aftership. Now, once you've done it, you can always head over to the App Store for Shopify if you have a Shopify account and get the free plan, which is available in a 7-day free trial. You only need to click on add the app to connect it to your Shopify. Now you get the major elements over here, from branding, tracking, timely emails, centralized shipment, and AI powered estimate delivery. We've gone through the actual pricing, guys, but if you need, you can always check out the free, the essential, the Pro, and the premium to make sure that you have the right prices. And if you look at the reviews, 3,667 individuals have given them a review. Out of 3,000 are 5-star and 388 are 4-star, and you can clearly see what kind of support and what kind of help they've been getting after using Aftership. Now, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.